It's one of those ideas that sounds ridiculous when you first hear it. In essence, it suggests that from your own point of view, you may never be able to experience your own death. In simple terms, if the universe splits into multiple possible outcomes, then there will always be some version of reality in which you survive. And if your consciousness can only ever continue in branches where you're still alive, then subjectively, you would never reach a moment where everything just ends. At first, all of this sounds ridiculous, like pure science fiction, a story about endless parallel worlds, alternate versions of you, and some strange loophole in death itself. But people still take the idea seriously, not because it offers a comforting promise of eternal life, but because it grows out of a real problem at the heart of modern physics. A place where our best theory of realities stops feeling like a clean explanation and starts feeling like an argument against common sense. Quantum immortality is not disturbing because it says you might live forever. It's disturbing because it asks a more corrosive question. If reality never chooses a single outcome, then why do you experience a single life at all? To understand why that question is so unsettling, we have to start with the part of quantum mechanics that physicists have spent nearly a century trying to explain without ever fully resolving. At the quantum level, particles do not behave like tiny solid objects following clean, deterministic paths through space. They're described by something called a wave function, a mathematical structure that encodes multiple possible states at once. In simple terms, a particle can exist in what is known as a superposition, meaning not simply here or there, but in a distribution of possible outcomes that only becomes definite when the particle is observed. And yet, when we look at the world, we don't encounter blurred clouds of possibility. We encounter single events. There's a particle here, the door is there, there's a window over there. It's one reading, one outcome instead of all of them at once. Somewhere between mathematics and the world as it appears, infinite possibilities seem to harden into singular fact. That's the measurement problem.